What's up everyone? In this adventure, we will be reviewing Florida's largest boat ramp. If you're new here, we are Kim and Jason in Florida, and we love to share our passion for boating. Located at the northern tip of Fort DeSoto Park, this boat ramp offers direct access to Tampa Bay, the Gulf of Mexico, and some of the best fishing spots in the area. Now let's dive into what makes the Fort DeSoto boat ramp a favorite among boaters.
What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are here at the Fort DeSoto boat ramp, which is Florida's largest boat ramp. We're going to be doing a full review for you, all the pros and cons. It is located in the lovely Tierra Verde, Florida, so let's get into it.
You will pass through 2 toll systems on the way to the ramp. No need to stop. They accept multiple electronic toll collection systems like SunPass, and they also do toll by plate. Once you go over the Pinellas Bayway Bridge, there will be multiple gas stations to stock up on supplies if needed. There is also a Residence Inn hotel and a restaurant called the Island Grill and Raw Bar that we have been told to check out. You will go through the last toll right before getting into Fort DeSoto Park. Same as before, no need to stop. Once you enter Fort DeSoto Park, the boat ramp will be on your first right.
So here you got the Park Mobile app. This is how you pay for the ramp. $5 for a car, $6 for a trailer. It's 24 hours. If you wanted to go camp over at Shell Key, you can camp at Shell Key. Your car will be fine here. Download the app. There's tons of Park Mobile trash cans all over the whole place, which is nice because you got lots of trash when you come back from boating, right? So usually you got to just like ride home with your trash, but no, there's tons of trash cans here. Another really cool feature about this ramp, guys, it says end of ramp right here. If you've ever driven your trailer off a ramp, you will appreciate this. Not saying that we've done that or anything. It also tells you the incline of the ramps. Those are cool features. So we got this big, huge washdown area here. Probably enough room for four boats. And it's got 2 water spigots. So you gotta bring a hose though, but you can get fresh water to hose down your boat. So they do have bathrooms here at the Fort DeSoto ramp, which is really handy, especially if you trailer your boat a long ways. We trailer about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. So by the time we get here, you gotta go use the restroom before you put in for the day. So it's nice to have them. They're pretty big, clean facility. There's a picnic table right over there. Tons of trailer parking. I'm gonna spin the camera around and show you here in a second. Spots for 300 trailers. And then there's also Overflow. We'll show you that over there outside the parking area. We have seen that filled up on holidays and stuff, but otherwise plenty of parking here. So as you can see, there's 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 rows of parking.
One of the things we really dislike about this ramp is the parking lot design. Having trailer parking close to the ramp can make it challenging to get your truck and trailer straight before backing up if there's a truck parked in front of you. Watch as this blue truck is having difficulty backing down the ramp. When someone is having difficulties like this, it blocks others from accessing the ramps past him. If you get here earlier enough on the weekend, this won't be an issue for you. Here is what it looks like on a Friday when it's not as busy and you can use the parking spot in front of you. You can tell that guy is the GOAT of backing up trailers.
we're coming up here on the overflow parking that we want to show you guys. Plenty of room out here too for when it gets busy like that. So if you do come out here on a holiday weekend, make sure you come out early. It will get extremely busy. This overflow lot will be full, and even just getting here, there'll be a bottleneck of traffic that you'll have to sit in. So I recommend 8 a.m. bright and early. All right, guys, so that was our review of the Fort Soto boat ramp. We hope you found this informative. If you have any experience with this boat ramp, we'd love to hear from you down in the comments. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you out there on the water.